Hello there, this is Daslot Webmasters, and I'm just completing the online training for taxi drivers to list on the Daslot search engine on the front page #1. So basically I'm just getting back to the last video which I completed, and I'm just going to click on the taxis here, and this is where you finished up. You've actually checked it, you've looked at it, and now that you're happy with your advertisement, and here it is here listed with a nice little picture of a taxi. So how do we get then back onto the Daslot search engine? How do we actually get on our name on here? Well, basically it's very straightforward. It's a free listing, and we're going to use the classifieds to get onto the search engine. So basically you just click on add a listing, and then basically then you'll be taken to the directory which is in the database on the actual search engine. So if you click this little link here, again you can get to it from here by just clicking on the directory. So we click that once. Again, I've made a special section here. This is the directory, and this is for all businesses, no matter who you are, you can actually get listed here. So again, I've done it for people and services. This is for the taxi drivers, as you can see. You can either go into the taxis itself and add it there, or you can suggest your URL in this. So I'm just going to do it here. So you just click this, suggest the URL. Now you don't need to know any technical stuff for this. You just need to follow the online instructions, and it'll be fairly straightforward. So the first thing you do is you take out this little letters here. That's the first thing you remove. Go back to your advertisement that you made, and you notice what's the URL. So each URL is actually located here at the very top, and basically it's unique to you, and nobody else in the world has this URL. Each URL is different, so no matter what happens here, you'll always come back to this page. So how to get this URL copied over to the search engine is literally click it once with the left click, and then right click, and then copy, and then that's you finished here. You can go back to the search engine then, and then all you do is paste, and that's it, done. You don't have to look at it, view it, or do anything with it. Again here, title and description, these are very important. You're allowed 250 characters into the title, 400 characters into the description. But I'm just going to do a few here for the quick demonstration. So I'm just going to put in Joe Blogs, telephone, 1 2 3 4 5 6 taxi service. Again, 250 characters, and I've done a last video to get, if you want to get the best keywords, it's all to do with search engine optimization and keywords. I'll be going through explaining very simply how this is achieved. Again, the description, taxi service in the Dublin area, and this could be for Cork, Galway, Limerick, doesn't matter, Dublin area, and business. Okay, so then you enter what's known as the anti-spam feature. Now you're probably familiar with this with other websites. F2D 4B. Okay, and then all you do is submit, and then you'll actually receive this here. Your site will be reviewed shortly. Now what will happen there is, now in less than 24 hours, your site will be approved, and you'll be able to go back to the Daslot search engine and actually find your listing on front page. So I'm going to pause the video there now, and I'm going to actually approve this listing, and just to show you again how it actually materializes on the search engine. Now, I've actually approved the listing itself. This is done in less than 24 hours. So basically then when you come back to the search engine, you want to know, am I listed on it? So first of all, let's type in Joe Blogs. Now, as you can see, it's been approved and it's #1 in the search engine under the link of Tender Me for free. And you can rate it, details, or you can have a quick view. So let's have a quick view on it. Again, here we go. The website's listed here. And just to show you, it will actually just come up there now. It will actually show the actual advertisement. So it says you're going off the search engine. You can actually stay with the search engine and you can maximize it out to have a quick look. And here's the advertisement here now. As you can see, there's the nice little picture of the taxi. And this is your web page. So effectively, you've made your web page. And this is all for free. Again, going back to the search engine, if we go home again and say I type in taxis for Dublin, again you can see Joe Blogs, telephone number and taxi service in Dublin business. Okay, so that's how it's actually done, and you can actually just go ahead then and add your business and check it out. Again, 24 hours and you should be page 1 in the search engine itself. And this is quite handy if you want to give out business cards or if you want to tell people how to find you. Instead of paying huge money to get onto page 1 in the search engine, basically you're actually listed here for free. Okay then, thank you.